Hello, everyone. Today we are practicing numbers from 21 to 40 with a fun word search activity. Look carefully at the puzzle. You will listen to each word or phrase, and you will have a few seconds to find it. If you need more time, pause the video and keep searching. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Number 21. Number 22. Number 23. Number 24. Number 25. Number 26. Number 27. Number 28. Number 29. Number 30. Number 31. Number 32. Number 33. Number 34. Number 35. Number 36. Number 37. Number 38. Number 39. Number 40.
This is it. Great job. Both teachers and students can get the printable worksheet and answer key in my store. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon.